Yeah, speaking of native ads, is what would you say are the best traffic sources to promote VSL offers right now? Is it native ads or is there something else as well?
Yeah, right now, Facebook, native, and email are by far the top three traffic
Oh,
sources.
Facebook
YouTube's
native
been
and
a little
anything.
difficult lately. Yeah, Facebook, native, and email definitely the top three
Nice.
for VSL offers, for supplement VSL offers.
Okay.
That's probably industry wide too. It might not even be specific to VSLs, but that's what we see the most of.
With native and with Facebook ads, I think it's already very popular. You see it in the spy tools, but email I've always find so interesting because the only way to see what email marketing does is to sign up to those email lists yourself. Like there's no spy
Yeah.
tools for that. And also from my own experience as an affiliate, when I was running Facebook ads or native ads only, then it was easy for everyone also to rip my campaigns, obviously, because they appear in the spy tools. But when I started building my own email list, basically everyone can copy the landing page because the landing page is just like the way I collect my emails. Like inside my email
Hmm.
list, there's no competition. It's just me. That's
Yeah.
that's
Well,
int-
you got to take those emails out from your competitors and take them off the list. That's the only thing you got to do.
I agree. I agree.
Yeah, I think
How
with.
can you
Oh,
buy
sorry.
email
Go ahead.
traffic? Do you know how to buy email traffic? Like from other
There
email
actually
lists?
are. There are a few traffic
Yeah.
brokers who sell email traffic, but I recommend either building your own list or
Hmm.
reaching out to some product owners and helping them monetize their emails, their buyer list. That's what we see. I don't want to say the majority of email traffic, but a lot of our email traffic is through buyer lists
Yeah.
from users who have bought other products in the VSL space. We
Makes
work with
sense. Yeah.
list managers who mail those buyers,
Hmm.
and they're it's perfect targeting because it's a user who's already purchased a supplement product through a
Uh,
VSL, and now
100%.
you're
Yeah.
just sending them more. Yeah.
Yeah. Makes total sense. But would you say is the easiest way for a new affiliate to get started? Would you recommend them start with native ads right away or like budget wise and
Um,
easiness?
No, I wouldn't say start with native. Native's a great traffic source. I'm not knocking on native when I say
Yeah.
this, to be clear. But I would say Facebook is honestly the easiest place to start.
Hmm.
I find it has the lowest barrier to entry. It's easy to target there. You can spend $100, $200 a day, $50 a day even,
Hmm.
and promote a product. So you can start with a very low budget. And after $300, $400 in spend on Facebook, you kind of know if your ads are working, if that offer is
Yeah.
going to respond to your ads. You get a
Hmm.
lot of data for a lot less spend on Facebook than I would say on native. With native, you typically need $3,000 to $5,000 just to test a campaign and see if it has legs and
Hmm.
really decide if it has any potential to scale. So I think on Facebook, it's just lower barrier to entry in terms of cost, and you don't need to work hand in hand with your rep at the native ad network to make sure you're on the right widgets and stuff. You
Hmm.
can really let the Facebook algorithm just dial in your ads and target the right users. So yeah, I say Facebook's the easiest place to start. Not the only place to start, but
Hmm.
a brand new affiliate today, I would say to try Facebook
Yeah.
first.
Yeah. For those people who never run a native ads campaign, it's also a little bit difficult to understand that when you may run on Taboola, a traffic platform I love, by the way. They have amazing traffic.
Us too. Us too.
Yeah, but you're not running on Taboola. Like Taboola has a collection of thousands of sites, and your ads they are not showing on Taboola, like they are showing on thousands of websites. So what makes native ads so expensive, like you mentioned, $3,000 to $5,000 to test, is because you will have to weed out all those magazines and placements that don't
Hmm.
convert. And if you don't have a rep, you will have to find those placements yourself. If you have a rep, you can maybe get a blacklist and have those websites blocked out from the get-go. But yeah,
Yeah, exactly. There's a little more tinkering to do with native, and there's some data to look into.
yeah,
Whereas with Facebook, I'm a firm believer that the algorithm will eventually find and target
hmm,
the right users.
yeah,
So again, that's why I say start with Facebook. Let the
nice.
Facebook algorithm do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on making the best ads and promoting the strongest product.
Also, the good thing on Facebook is you have pretty much unlimited scale. Like once you found something that works, there's a lot of room to grow on the platform.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
double, triple your budget every day until it breaks, and then bring it back down and see if it can maintain at that level.
Gotcha.
That's what I tell people, at least.